Hi, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my UFO workshops. I kind of rename it now to the workshop. It's not just video, it's a workshop now, because I hopefully kind of inspire you to work from your own unfinished elements in your sewing rooms. I have moved into my second tray of UFOs, and here is my selection for today. I had some cheated and disappearing line patches from this tutorial and leftovers from some potato chip blocks from this tutorial. Those are bigger pieces, but I had some left, so why not. I have added to the mix those 4 donated windmills, as I feel like they're kind of matching the vibe color wise. So this is the start layout here, and as usual it may change throughout the process, but that kind of gives me a good starting point to kind of think outside what else I could do here. So the square block is 8.5 inch. The potato block when sewn together will be 16.5, because individual parts are 1.5 inch in length. So I'm still using magic numbers here to make it work, which really helps a lot, because it takes out of the equation quite a lot of math and figuring it out. I just need to now fill in the blanks. I think I need to add some colors here for fun quilt for Project Linus. I will start from making my windmills 1.5 inch. I like the solid elements in other blocks, so I will use solid strips to enlarge it. And again, as in my previous videos, I am squaring them a little bit of center. It's easier than finding the middle, and most of those blocks are not perfectly square to begin with, so it kind of works better. I popped them on the design wall and decided to remove those side rectangle blocks, and I just pieced them together in pairs to make more 8.5 inch blocks. I dig into some other boxes with donations and pulled out those pieces. I thought this would fit nicely in the gaps. Working with magic numbers make it easy to design. So to fill in the gaps I need either 8.5 squares, 4.5 by 8.5 rectangles, or 4.5 by 4.5 pieces, and I have plenty of those, especially the last size, because that's one of my magic numbers tray element. And the tumblers here will make interesting blocks. I hope. I will give it a go. So this is the next stage. I now need 8 blocks to finish off. And again, I use my magic numbers tray here with kids fabric to make 4 patches. And the remaining gaps I just filled with plain yellow strips. I think again they're kind of pulling together from other designs here, so it's matching nicely. So before we carry on with the project, let's just round up where you can find me and how you can support my work. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and watch videos as I'm posting them without skipping the adverts, please. Please comment against the videos because that helps to push them out to wider audience, and don't forget to share with your quilting friends. Join my network either on Facebook or Instagram. All the links how and where are in the description below. Where you see my posts either on Facebook or Instagram, please like, share and comment on them. If you like to add something extra, I've got now membership available through the YouTube. You can also use a super thanks on YouTube or buy me a virtual tea, coffee or lunch using a form on my website. You can also support me by subscribing to my newsletter via my website. That will help me to notify you when I publish new videos or blog posts, or maybe there are some items available to purchase on my website. However you decide to support this channel, thank you very much for being here, and I hope you enjoy the content. Here it is, the final layout and top stitch together. If you haven't heard about magic numbers, I will link some information below. It is my favorite scrap system, and I've made quite a few videos using that scrap system cuts. Also, I've wrote a book about how to use those, so there's plenty to look into. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I hope maybe you get a little bit more motivated to use up what you have already in your sewing rooms. Few more of those videos to come, and as you know, I'm really on the roll with getting my sewing room cleared out from those odd bits. I just don't want to move them around whilst I'm rearranging my room. I just want to use them up. Let me know if you like this one top and how are you doing on your own journey. Thank you very much for watching me today, and see you next time.